just left Bradenton, Florida, and we are headed to Groveland, Florida to meet Totally Hitched 5, which are friends of ours. They have been staying at this orange grove that they've been boondocking at. We were able to find it on Hip Camps. It's about $17 a night to boondock, and we're gonna try it. James has been doing all the work this morning. I'm not gonna lie, I just like bounced around. And what happens in our RV is that I leave James at the campground with the RV to do all of the work, and then I go fuel up, and I may or may not take my time doing that and find every aspect possible to take as much time as possible to give him all the work, and then I just show up to hook up. See, I'm still fueling up at Starbucks. Again, still fueling up. Still getting fuel. Anyway, so we are going to meet up with Totally Hitched, hang out at this boondocking spot. I'm super excited. It's in this orange grove. I picked up a bunch of whiskey today in my, those were my duties. I had the important stuff. And so that we can make old fashions and have a good time with friends. As always, we are taking you guys with us so you can see it, and we'll give us.
Even though we try not to, we can't escape.
We can't escape. I don't know how to end this. Oh, Jesus Christ. I fucking walked that whole thing.
You did?
Well, yeah, because he's like, you know, have the cones down there.
Oh.
And I guess there's an alligator in the front. Have you seen it yet?
Yes. Yeah.
Really?
He was, like right as you guys pulled off, I went to go walk towards water and I saw his
down
face
there.
dunked underwater. I was like, oh my god.
It comes down in the evenings usually. Works
Is he
its way
big?
Slowly. No, it's like 4 foot maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe. It's just a little, juvenile.
His
His name's
name's
Rufus.
Rufus?
They named
We
it.
call him Negan.
Yeah.
He comes back.
Yeah, we went fishing down there. He like pulled up and I was like, oh no. So I started reeling it in and he started following it and I like handed it to my husband. I was like, here you go. And he was like, I don't know what to do. And then he was like, whomp. And I was like, oh, well, there it goes.
We're gonna have a heck of a time trying to level.
Yeah.
What's the damage, boss?
What?
I don't know. Is there anything that got screwed up? So far, so good. Oh, we lost one spoon, but he didn't use my fancy ponytail secure lockdown. So that's probably why we lost one. The cabinet opened, but nothing fell out. That's good. I think we're good. It's a little rough, but we got it.
Here we are in Groveland, Florida, and we're staying in an orange grove of all things. And I mean, it's boondocking, but it's beautiful.
Look at that, guys. Now that is a view from a window. Today has been a spectacular day. Boondocking, again, not as scary as I thought it would be, but actually it's pretty amazing. We got up around 9 this morning. We're able to walk the dogs. We went and picked oranges and fresh squeezed them. Check this out. I just did this. Oh, hey, you like our new picture? My new friend Ava made that for James. Isn't it pretty amazing? But we also squeeze these. I have 2 of them. Fresh squeezed Florida orange juice. We mixed them with some vodka and some ice. Best screwdriver I've ever had. So, as you can tell, boondocking has been so terrible. So terrible. We're roughing it. We're making it work. We'll be okay, guys. I know you're worried, but we'll be okay. Maybe a little too much vodka. Have not seen the alligator yet, and I'm very disappointed. But I'm still holding out hope he's gonna show his head to me yet. We're gonna be besties. So, you gotta see this press that the host / owner of the property left us. This is a juice press, man. Hey, everybody. Say hi. So, for you guys that don't know, this is Kitty with Totally Hitched and Ava with Totally Hitched. James is my orange juicing assistant. And this is the badass juicer that the host left for us to make do with our oranges how we want it. So, woo! It didn't, hey, you didn't spill it actually.
No.
The lid saved it.
Oh my god. I'm sorry.
No worries, guys. There were no casualties here today.
No casualties.
No casualties in the booze department.
Got it.